Here's a real-world case use of why you want the CTR Folding Mat. I got a new e-scooter. How cool is the e-scooter? But I got to crawl around on the concrete to assemble it. So thankfully CTR was nice enough to send me this to demo it for you. So let's do that. Obviously I am opening it for the first time. I'm pretty sure we're just going to unfold it and I'm going to be able to crawl all over the ground here comfortably, putting together my new toy. Watch this. How cool is that? Look at that. That is awesome. Let me get rid of this garbage. We'll try it out. Obviously, it's not specifically designed for e-bike setups or installations, but you can do any kind of mechanical work, right? If you have to work on something in the house, your RV, your boat, any of those things that you don't want to be on the ground here because it is really very uncomfortable, this concrete, this is ridiculously perfect. And honestly, if I was a little kid, I could take a nap on here. This is absolutely super cool. I gotta give it a full 4 out of 5. Ridiculous. You should get yourself one. Hope this is helpful. We'll see you next time.